Dementia care, communication, interaction, and behavior in dementia care. Why is dementia is disability? The Equality Act 2010 UK. This is the law that protects disabled persons from unfair discrimination in the UK. A physical or mental impairment that has a substantial and long-term negative effect on the person's ability to do normal daily activities. People with dementia would be classed as disabled under this law. Recently, the World Health Organization (WHO) proposed reclassifying diagnosis for dementia as diseases of the nervous system rather than mental or behavioral disorder, as they are now classified. Dementia, a group of symptoms affecting memory, thinking, and social ability severely enough to interfere with your daily life. These functions affect include memory, language skills, visual perceptions, problem solving, self management, and the ability to focus and pay attention. Dementia. People with Down syndrome are more likely than the general population to develop dementia. Dementia occurs because of death of brain cell or damage in parts of the brain that deal. Dementia is a progressive condition that over time will affect a person's ability to remember and understand basic everyday facts such as name, dates, and place. When a person is living with dementia, it is likely that their ability to communicate will be affected in some way. The person cannot change the way that they communicate with us. It is our responsibility to change how we communicate to enhance their understanding and well-being. Communicating well with person living with dementia, you can help increase their understanding and well-being. Mode of communication: verbal, oral, written, meditated. Non-verbal features: expression, eye contact, posture, appearance, gesture, personal space, and bodily contact. Mode of communication: verbal expression. A person with dementia may have difficulty organizing and expressing ideas required for talking. Starting conversation and keeping to the topic can also be impaired as the person may experience difficulty forming idea and concentrating. Non-verbal communication: non-verbal can give us more insight into what the person living with a dementia is trying to say, especially at times when verbal communication is difficult. Despite all the difficulty with language that can be experienced, non-verbal communication often remain intact. Reading and writing. The ability to read can be impaired when a person is experiencing dementia. Reading can become difficult as the person may be unable to remember what they have read, understand the words, and concentrate long enough. Communicating through body language and physical contact. Body language and physical contact become significant when speech is difficult for the person with a dementia. Being patient and remembering claims which can help the person communicate more easily. Keeping your tone of voice positive and friendly where possible. Listening and understanding someone with dementia. Communication is a two-way process. Active listening can help to improve communication between you and the person you are caring for. Using eye contact to look at the person and encouraging them to look at you when either of you are talking. Example of modified speech behavior: speaking slowly, speaking loudly, using a sing-song voice, inflecting statement to sound like a question, using the pronoun we, us, and our in place of you. How we, how are we doing today? Using pet names such as sweetheart, desire, and honey. Shortening sentences, simplifying context sentence structure, simplifying vocabulary, repeating statement or question, answering question for the older adult. You would like your lunch now, wouldn't you? In other way, talking to the elder adults, you are having a good time to Protasio today. I see I and you have your pink sweater on, which you love, right? Asking people questions that assume role, loss, illness, and powerlessness, such as who did you used to be? What did you used to do?